WWE CCO Triple H has been picked as the headliner of the 2025 WWE Hall of Fame. I 100% don't believe the claim made by Triple H that he didn't have absolutely any idea about the Hall of Fame news. And here's why. Let's get one thing straight first. Years down the line, when people will remember some of the greatest superstars to ever grace a WWE ring, will Triple H be remembered among them? Definitely. In my opinion, the game will at least make the top 25 list of the greatest of all time. Now, years down the line, when people talk about the worst people to come out of the wrestling business, will Triple H's name come up? Hell yeah. Let's go back a few decades ago, the Montreal Screwjob. There have been claims that during a phone call between Triple H, Shawn Michaels, and Vince McMahon before Survivor Series 1997, the game was the one to pitch the idea of screwing Bret Hart. And Vince McMahon apparently thought that the idea was good. After the Montreal Screwjob, when Bret Hart's then wife asked Triple H if he was involved in this, he looked into her eyes and said, I didn't know, I didn't have any idea. In the early 2000s, when Vince McMahon decided to give Kurt Angle his very first WWE Championship, Triple H opposed this idea, or Triple H felt that Kurt Angle was too small of a wrestler to be given the top prize in sports entertainment. And then Gerald Briscoe, WWE veteran, told to go Triple H into the ring with Kurt Angle in a shoot fight and see if he is too small to hold the WWE Championship. Triple H did not say anything after that. About a couple of years later, simply because he just didn't like Rob Van Dam, Triple H halted his push. In late 2002, RVD feuded with Triple H on WWE Raw and came out of the feud looking like a big loser. Fast forward to 2003, Triple H and Booker T feuded on the road to WrestleMania 19, and when all was said and done at WrestleMania, Booker T looked like a huge jobber. And then fast forward to 2015, Triple H and Sting met at WrestleMania. There was absolutely no reason for Triple H to go over Sting, but he did. My point stands. Triple H is one of the greatest wrestlers to ever step foot in the ring, not only in WWE, but in professional wrestling as well. Also, Triple H is one of the worst persons to ever exist in this business. Now let's talk about that Town Hall WWE event. Shortly after the event, Stephanie McMahon claimed in an interview that she had absolutely no idea that The Undertaker and Shawn Michaels were going to surprise Triple H. Stephanie McMahon has no involvement in WWE's day-to-day ongoings. What was the special reason behind Stephanie McMahon being present at the Town Hall event? I 100% believe Stephanie McMahon was told beforehand. And now, let's talk about Triple H. Yeah, that very moment Shawn Michaels' music hit. Triple H is obviously a good actor, judging by his promos, not judging by his movies in Hollywood. But at that single moment, at that very moment, Triple H overacted. The expressions on his face, just take a look at the expression on his face. He showed too much surprise. He showed too much concern. Simply because Shawn Michaels' music hit. I fully believe Triple H wanted to make fans believe that he had no idea what Shawn Michaels was going to tell him. But in an attempt to give a great acting performance, Triple H overacted. Now, does Triple H deserve to be inducted into the WWE Hall of Fame? 100%. Triple H has done more than anyone else over the past 2 or 3 decades or so as a professional wrestler and as a backstage authority figure to warrant a Hall of Fame induction. The problem that I have with this is the fact that Triple H claims he didn't have any idea about it, and I believe 100% that he is lying. Triple H absolutely loves the spotlight that WWE gives him. He puts himself front and center every chance he gets. At every major WWE event, at every WWE milestone event, like the Raw Netflix premiere. He likes to be front and center and under the spotlight. Now that the Triple H Paul Levesque era is in full swing, he wanted the biggest spotlight on him and wanted to induct himself into the WWE Hall of Fame. But he didn't want the WWE Universe to think that he loves himself so much, and thus the fans had to go through the whole Town Hall facade. What do you think about this assessment? Do you believe Triple H really didn't know about Shawn Michaels and The Undertaker's plans inducting him into the WWE Hall of Fame? Or is Triple H lying, as he always does? Let me know in the comments below.